Hello everyone, welcome to Tindore's channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to enable notifications for any specific application in Samsung Galaxy A32. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, there is subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. Just follow every step as I am showing you in this video.